A boy bought a 4x4 Rubik's cube, and if each cube measures 2 centimeter, find the volume of the Rubik's cube. So what is asked? So what is asked is where the question mark is. So find the volume of the Rubik's cube. So find the volume of the Rubik's cube. So this is what is asked. What are the given facts? The given fact is that the Rubik's cube measures 4x4. So the Rubik's measures the Rubik's is a 4x4, and each cube measures 2 centimeter. So these are the given facts. So what is our operations to be used? So we are going to so this is the Rubik's cube. This is 4x4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and each of this cube is 2 centimeter. So that means that how many centimeter is the whole this one. So answer, we multiply 2 centimeter by 4 because there are 4 cubes. So this is also 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. So this is also 2 centimeters. So we multiply, or this one we add them, multiply 2 centimeter by 4, or we just add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and we get 8. So this thing is 8 centimeter. So we multiply. So write the formula, and then we use the formula for the volume. So after we so this is the formula. Volume is equal to 8 cube. So so this is equal to so 8 times 8 times 8 is equal to 512. Now this is in centimeters, so this is cubic centimeter. So the formula V is equal to S cube. So write the final answer. Volume is equal to 512 cubic centimeter. So what is our operations to be used? We multiply 4 times 2 is equal to 8 centimeter, just like we show it here. So I think we did them all. So the final answer is 512. So 8 times 8 times 8 is equal to 512.